Pause. Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of collagen. Have you heard of collagen? If not, you're in for a treat. It's like the glue that holds your body together. Literally. Imagine it as the essential puzzle piece that completes the picture of your health. Collagen is a protein, and it's super important. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up about 1/3 of its protein composition. It's in your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and even your blood vessels. Essentially, it's everywhere. Think of it as the scaffolding that gives your body structure and strength. Without it, our bodies would be like buildings without support beams. Now here's the thing. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen. This decline starts as early as our mid-20s. That's why we start to see those pesky wrinkles, achy joints, and other signs of aging. It's a natural part of life, but it doesn't have to be a losing battle. But don't worry, there's good news. We can take action to support our collagen levels. We can actually help our bodies by adding more collagen to our diets or taking supplements. These can come in various forms like powders, pills, or even in your favorite smoothie. It's like giving our bodies a helping hand to stay strong and youthful. Imagine having the energy and vitality to do the things you love. Think of it this way. Imagine a building with a strong foundation. That's what collagen does for your body, providing stability and resilience. That's what collagen does for your body. It provides the building blocks for healthy tissues and organs. Pretty cool, right? It provides the building blocks for healthy tissues and organs. Pretty cool, right? And the benefits don't stop there. So, are you ready to unlock the power of collagen and discover all its amazing health benefits? Keep reading, my friend. There's so much more to learn and explore about this incredible protein. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: youthful, radiant skin. It's something we all desire, but how do we achieve it? Collagen plays a starring role in keeping our skin looking its best. It's the secret ingredient that helps maintain that youthful appearance. Remember those building blocks we talked about? Well, think of collagen as the essential building block for your skin. Collagen provides the structure and elasticity that keeps our skin firm, plump, and wrinkle-free. It's like the scaffolding that holds everything together. Think of it like this. Collagen is the bounce-back factor in our skin. It gives our skin that youthful resilience. When we're young, we have an abundance of it, which is why our skin springs back into place easily. It's that youthful elasticity we all cherish. But as we get older, that collagen production slows down, and our skin loses its elasticity. This is a natural part of aging. This leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and that dreaded sagging skin. It's a sign that our skin is losing its youthful structure. But here's the exciting part. Studies have shown that supplementing with collagen can actually improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and even boost hydration. It's like giving your skin a second chance. That's right. Collagen can help turn back the clock on your skin and give you that youthful glow. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a more youthful you. It's like giving your skin a much-needed drink of water from the inside out. So why not give your skin the boost it deserves and enjoy that radiant, youthful glow once again? Now let's move on to our joints, those amazing connectors that allow us to move freely and enjoy life to the fullest. Our joints are essential for every movement we make, from the simplest tasks like walking and bending to more complex activities like dancing and playing sports. Just like our skin, our joints rely on collagen for strength and flexibility. Collagen provides the necessary support to keep our joints functioning smoothly, allowing us to stretch, bend, and move without discomfort. Collagen is a major component of cartilage, the smooth, rubbery tissue that cushions our joints and prevents bones from rubbing together. This cushioning effect is crucial for maintaining joint health and preventing wear and tear over time. Imagine your joints like well-oiled hinges on a door. Just as hinges need lubrication to function properly, our joints need collagen to stay flexible and pain-free. Collagen is the lubricant that keeps those hinges moving smoothly. Without it, our joints can become creaky and less efficient, much like a door hinge that hasn't been oiled in a while. When we don't have enough collagen, our joints can become stiff, achy, and even painful. This lack of collagen can lead to discomfort and reduced mobility, making everyday activities a challenge. This can make it tough to do the things we love, whether it's playing sports, going for a run, or simply walking the dog. Joint pain can significantly impact our quality of life and limit our ability to stay active. The good news is that collagen can come to the rescue. By incorporating collagen supplements into our daily routine, we can support our joint health and reduce the risk of pain and stiffness. Studies have shown that supplementing with collagen can help reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and even support the growth of new cartilage. This means that with the right support, our joints can stay healthy and functional for years to come. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just want to keep your joints healthy as you age, collagen is a powerful ally. Embrace the benefits of collagen and keep moving with ease and comfort. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.